solve the equation e to the x minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus ln of x squared minus 1, giving your answer correct to three significant figures. Now on paper 2 in SL Maths, you occasionally get equations which are very, very difficult to solve algebraically, if not impossible, and therefore you should be using your GDC. And this is what this is about. Okay, so on your calculator, what you're going to do on the same axis is draw this function f of x e to the x minus 2 minus 3, and g of x is equal to minus ln of x squared minus 1, and see where they intersect. So doing that on our calculator, okay, and going to graphing mode, which is this one here, and putting in the first function, which is e to the x minus 2, press the arrow, minus 3, press enter. Just going to move this bit labelled down here a little bit. To bring up the entry line again, one way to do it is to control and G, and then do minus control ln of x squared minus 1. Press enter. Okay, get the second one. I'm just going to move the label a little bit out of the way. Okay, and what we need to find are the points of intersection, which is that one there and that one there. Now to do that, we go to menu, and we go to number 6, analyze the graph. Now sometimes you might have to do a zoom in order to find the points of intersection. Zoom in or zoom out in order to make sure you found all the points of intersection. But here we've got them all on the standard axis, okay, so we don't need to worry about it this time. So press number 4, intersection, go slightly left at the first point, and then to the right, and then you get the first answer, minus 4.59. And then we need to repeat it again for the second one. So menu, number 6, analyze the graph, number 4, intersection, to the left and to the right, and then we get the second answer here, 2.38. Now, what do we put on our exam script? So on our exam script, well, there's a screenshot of what I've just done, but that doesn't go on the exam script. We need to make a little sketch of this graph onto our exam script over here. So first of all, make sure you draw a set of axes. Make sure you draw them with a ruler. Make sure they're large as well so it can be seen. Label them X and Y. Draw on the two graphs. Make sure you label each one correctly. So this is y is equal to e to the x minus, y is equal to e to the x minus 2 minus 3. And this one is y is equal to minus ln of x squared minus 1. We need to put on these 2 points, so I can put 2 dots there and make sure you read them off and write down these values from my calculator. Make sure you write down the x coordinates, not the y coordinates. Okay, and the two solutions to this equation are x is equal to minus 4.49 or 2.38. Make sure they are correct to three significant figures. Okay, so that's how you use your calculator in order to solve two equations which perhaps cannot be solved algebraically.